Well, I don't know, it's the boy IYAZ alongside the man JR. I said I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. Yeah, we used to be a team, running the streets, yeah, we was living out a dream. Oh, you used to be my brother, I was your provider, and now we separated in two. Oh, when we was burning up the block, yeah, and everybody knew when we stepped in the spot. Oh, see, we was like the dynamic duo. I never thought that you'd go, but you did, yeah, you did. Oh, and baby, you left and sailed away alone, yeah, alone. And now you got me trapped up on this island where nowhere to get home. And I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go, I don't want it down, no, I don't want it down, no. I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. Cause I was so high and now I'm so low, and I don't wanna walk around alone solo. I said I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. Solo. Put your feet onto my top line, put us together and you're off it, hit the rewind. See, you give me a purpose, now I'm getting nervous that my heart would never sing again. Oh, when we were burning up the airwaves, they knew us from the Virgin Islands to the UK. See, we was on our way to the platinum and gold, never